Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connection and Sharing. Now select Printing section and tap on Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect with. If you wish to use different print service, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher next to Use Print Service. Then click on the back button, choose Add Service instead, and install the best one for you. In my case, HP one. When your app is ready, click on the back button twice. Then tap on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!